What's up, guys? We got Peter, and he said Mahalo, so I'm guessing this brother is got to be from Hawaii or somebody from Hawaii who moved to California. That's pretty much always the case. Anyway, Peter said, hey, what's up, Tony? I repainted plastic body parts on my '02 Tundra 2 times already. First time was done by a friend at Toyota. It faded within 2 years. Oh my God. The second time was from a guy I found on Craigslist that used paint from an aerosol can from Hi-Line Distributors. If you're saying Hi-Line, buddy, I know you're on Oahu because I know the owners of Hi-Line. Anyway, the paint began to crack, shown in the pictures, within 1 year. God, somebody's doing some bad body work. Got what I paid for. I used to do bodywork and paint as a hobby years ago, and now I have time to do this myself. How would I be able to fix my parts permanently? I have a Craftsman 33-gallon, perfect. I recently purchased the Atom spray guns and set up an inline air filter and water separator. I was told that the cracking may happen again because the plastic will fix. Nope, you'll be fine. So let's take a look at his pictures, guys. So this is like some spider webbing cracking here in his paint bumper. So if you're using a 33-gallon air compressor, you're not going to have a problem painting bumper covers. That's enough volume. You could do body parts with that, okay? Painting a whole car is going to be a little challenging. So what I would do, it looks like your clear coat, looks like some plastic around your fender wells. So I would take these off, okay? Your bumper, I don't know, I would take it off if you can, okay? What I would initially do is grab your DA, sand it down with like 280 grit. Okay, take it down. Take it down. You might get the plastic in some area. Try not to hit the plastic too much, but make sure you're taking down the cracked clear coat. You might get into the base a little bit. That's fine. Okay, but just take it down flat, and then what I would do is spray a 2K filler primer over the whole thing. Okay, reduce it down an extra 10% for some flexibility there, and put 2 good coats on it. Water sand it with 400 grit, and you can follow it with 600 if you want to. It's not needed. Okay, and then you'll be ready for paint. Then I would lay 2-3 coats of base coat on it, followed by 2-3 coats of clear coat. You'll be fine. That's pretty much it. All right, you're not going to end up with cracking anymore. I think this started cracking because of the clear coat was too thin. That's what it looks like to me from these images. Not enough clear coat. Very thin clear coat or a cheap clear coat. That's kind of what this looks like to me. Anyway, if you want to add some flex agent in there, you can add a little bit of flex agent if you feel like it. But in my experience, if you're putting good paint on, base coat, clear coat, you're not going to get this problem unless you hit something really hard. Then you're going to get some cracking. That's normal. No matter how much flex agent you put in something, if you hit a wall hard enough or something hard enough, you're going to get some cracking in your bumper cover because it's plastic, right? It's going to crease and crack. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out and gave you some ideas and how to tackle this project. Just, again, take it all down with 280 grit. Put 2 coats of 2K filler primer on it. You could even go, if you have the extra cash or you want to go easy, get the Spray Max 2K filler primer. You might need like 2 bottles of it. They're about $25 a bottle. I like it because it's easy. You don't have to mess up or have a primer gun that you have to clean out. It's just one less step. You just crack the activator, shake it up, spray it, give it a couple of heavy coats, and wait for it to cure, and sand it down and paint it. That'll be pretty much all you need to do. So it's Tony here from LearnAutoBodyAndPaint.com. Hopefully you enjoyed this little video. If you're brand new, don't forget to subscribe, comment, like the video. Everyone watching, please like it, share it, subscribe. Click down below if you need more resources and links. We're giving away a free 85-page AutoBody and Paint interactive guide. If you're on desktop, click below. If you're on mobile, click the top right here, and we can send you that manual. All right? Thanks for watching. Talk to you guys soon. And if you head down to Learn Auto Body, this is the site. This is where you're going to be able to get your free book. Or if you're on the home page, you can click right over here, put in your info, and download the book right there. All right. Again, don't forget to check out VIP. VIP is awesome. There's over 10,000 VIP members across the world and counting every single day. Talk to you soon, guys. Peace out. Bye.